Former President Donald Trump refusing to answer questions from investigators looking into possible fraud from his businesses. The New York Attorney General called on him to appear today, but the former president says he's pleading the fifth. Thanks for staying with us at 5:30. I'm Andrew Kinsey.
And I'm Brittany Bailey in for Yolanda tonight. Former President Trump says he has done nothing wrong and calls the latest legal problem a witch hunt. As Naomi Ruckham reports, the deposition comes just days after the FBI's raid on his Florida home.
Former President Trump gave a thumbs up on the way to his deposition at the New York Attorney General's office, where he declined to answer questions under oath. Mr. Trump released a statement about invoking his right against self-incrimination, saying in part, "When your family, your company, and all the people in your orbit have become the targets of an unfounded, politically motivated witch hunt, you have no choice."
In the past, he'd said only guilty people plead the fifth. What he's trying to do is diffuse one of those costs, which is making him look bad, making him look guilty, and making him look like a hypocrite.
The civil investigation, led by Democrat Letitia James, is looking into whether the Trump Organization inflated the values of multiple real estate properties to get favorable loans and tax deductions. The AG's office says it's collected substantial evidence that could support a lawsuit against Mr. Trump or his company. Former President Trump has also been lashing out about a separate federal probe into whether he illegally took classified material from the White House when he left office. In an extraordinary move Monday, the FBI searched the former president's home in Mar-a-Lago, seizing boxes and paper documents, some of which are believed to contain classified information. President Trump's lawyers have suggested, without proof, the FBI may have planted evidence, and Republican allies are calling for transparency.
This raises serious questions, again, about the Biden administration politicizing and weaponizing law enforcement.
Wednesday, President Biden ignored questions about the FBI's actions.
Are you confident DOJ will be fair?
White House officials maintain Mr. Biden had no prior knowledge of the search. Naomi Ruckham, CBS News, New York.
The DOJ and FBI have yet to explain the basis for the search, but it is not believed to be related to the January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol.